To switch Trust Wallet Fingerprint login, follow these steps. First, ensure you have the latest version of Trust Wallet installed on your device. Open the Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Settings menu, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon. Tap on the Settings menu to access the various options available. Scroll down to the Security section and select the Fingerprint Login option. If you have already set up Fingerprint Login, you will see the option to disable or change it. To switch the Fingerprint Login, you need to disable the current fingerprint setup. Tap on the Disable Fingerprint Login option to turn it off. You may be prompted to enter your wallet password to confirm the action. Once the fingerprint login is disabled, you can set up a new fingerprint by selecting the Enable Fingerprint Login option. Follow the on-screen instructions to register your new fingerprint. You will be asked to place your finger on the fingerprint sensor multiple times to complete the registration process. After setting up the new fingerprint, you will be prompted to test it by placing your finger on the sensor. If the test is successful, you will see a confirmation message indicating that the fingerprint login has been switched successfully. It is essential to note that switching the fingerprint login does not affect your wallet's private keys or any existing transactions. It only changes the biometric authentication method used to access your wallet. As a best practice, make sure to keep your device and Trust Wallet app up to date to ensure you have the latest security features and updates. Additionally, always use a secure wallet password and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. By following these steps, you can easily switch the Trust Wallet fingerprint login and enjoy enhanced security and convenience when accessing your wallet. Remember to always prioritize security and take necessary precautions to protect your cryptocurrency assets.